Hey there, adventure seekers! Ready for an unforgettable London tour in just 48 hours? Buckle up because I'm about to take you on a whirlwind journey through the best attractions this vibrant city has to offer. Day 1 and we're starting bright and early at the magnificent Buckingham Palace. Get your cameras ready as you witness the iconic changing of the guard. Don't forget to grab tickets to the state rooms to marvel at the opulent interiors where the king himself entertains guests. It's a royal experience you won't want to miss. Next, hop on the city sightseeing bus tour. This hop-on hop-off bus is the best way to get around London while soaking in the sights. From Big Ben to the Houses of Parliament, you'll see it all. And the best part? You can jump off whenever something catches your eye. Now it's time for some magic. We're heading over to the Warner Brothers studio for the Harry Potter tour. Walk through the Great Hall, explore Diagon Alley, and even ride a broomstick. For all you Potterheads out there, this is pure bliss. Trust me, it's like stepping right into the wizarding world. Day 2 kicks off with a ride on the London Eye. This giant Ferris wheel offers stunning panoramic views of the city. On a clear day, you can see as far as Windsor Castle. It's the perfect way to start your morning with a breathtaking perspective of London. Next up, we're diving into history at the Tower of London. Explore the ancient fortress and learn about its dark past. And don't miss the Crown Jewels exhibition. Those sparkling gems are simply mesmerizing. It's a trip back in time that feels incredibly alive. By now you're probably hungry, right? Head to Borough Market for a foodie paradise. From artisanal cheeses to gourmet street food, there's something for every taste bud. Grab a bite, relax, and soak in the lively atmosphere. As the sun starts to set, take a leisurely stroll along the South Bank. Enjoy the street performers, pop into a riverside pub, or simply admire the beautiful views of the Thames. It's the perfect way to wind down and reflect on your incredible journey. There you have it, an unforgettable 48-hour tour of London. With its rich history, vibrant culture, and magical experiences, this city truly has something for everyone. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Until next time, happy travels!